Since anybody can forecast the past, meaning describe what had already happened, let me see if I got some skills and describe what is going to happen, what I think will happen tomorrow. So today is Wednesday, April 3rd. Tomorrow is April 4th. And we have a few announcing. There's 5 tickers announcing that I'm tracking. Duluth, RPM, SCHN, SMPL, STZ. So let me go through it one by one real quick, starting with Duluth. DLTH. See, I just typed in Duluth and it showed GME. All right, so what we have to me looks like a bearish setup. So let's check. Span A. Let me click on the cursor so it shows. All right, span A. And make sure we're looking at today. Span A is actually slightly bullish. It has crossed above span B. Tenkan, however, is bearish. So the span A is showing a bullish sign. The span B, or the Tenkan is showing bearish. Oh, that's going to be a tough one. I would sell a strangle and just do a short put and short call at the 20 delta because I don't have a clear reading as to which way that one's going. Let's look at the next one, RPM. So RPM International, let's go to today's date. And it's showing that the span A is above the span B, bullish. Tenkan above the Kijun, bullish. Trading above the span. I predict RPM will beat earnings. I will sell a put on that one. All right, that's my word. Let's see what happens tomorrow. But I predict RPM will beat earnings based on the bullish Ichimoku. All right, next, SCHN. SCHN. That is Schnitzer Steel. Just going by the Ichimoku, nothing else. So span A, barely above span B. This is where you really got to look at the numbers, down here. Span A is 1/10, or no, it's 1/10 above the span B. 2403 versus 2402. The Tenkan, slightly bullish as well. It's trading above both. I predict Schnitzer Steel, SCHN, will beat earnings. I would sell a 20 put on that one expiring this week if there's one available. And there's not, it would have to expire on April 18th. Next, SMPL. SMPL. Simply Good Foods. All right, let's go to today. And I can just tell you right now, looking at this, it's pretty obvious. This is a bullish setup. I predict Simply Good Foods will beat earnings based on the Ichimoku bullishness. And lastly, STZ. STZ. So these are all predictions before earnings tomorrow. Looking at the Ichimoku only. Ichimoku for today is span A, bearish slightly. Span A is 169.76, span B is 170. Tenkan 173 compared to the Kijun 171. That is mixed. However, so it's a bullish span A, it's a bearish span A, but it's a bullish Tenkan. So when that happens, my rule is to sell strangles, even though this looks to be a bullish setup partially. I just want to see the span A above the span B for it to give me confidence that this is going to beat earnings. I do not have confidence on this one, STZ. It does look more bullish than bearish, so I would recommend selling the strangle at the 20 deltas in each one. Sell a 20 delta call, 20 delta put. So the way that would look, and let's see if they're announcing after earnings. So they're announcing before market open, so it's too late to put the trade on anyway. But I would, go here, see if there's one expiring this week. Yeah, there is. And I would look to see where approximately the 20 delta is, and that's here. So I would sell that 170 strike put, and then I would go over here, and the 20 delta is closest to the 190, so I'd sell the 190 call. So I'd sell the 190 call and the 170 put. That gives you a large channel, 20-point spread for it to hover between. And let's see, I think it will finish the week above 170 and below 190, and I'm putting my prediction to the test. So I'm going to upload this before April 4th, so there's no way I could have done this after the fact. All right.